This video will guide you through how you can easily get Threads badge on Instagram. You might have noticed a badge right under your Instagram friend's profile. The badge appears on the person's profile if they join into the newly launched Threads account from Instagram. If you want to join in and add in a badge on your Instagram profile, then you will have to join in to Threads. To do so, go ahead and make sure that you've downloaded the Threads application on your mobile device. Go and open your Play Store or your App Store and download this application that says Threads and Instagram app. Once you download the app, tap on the open button to launch it open. Now, once you open the app, it'll take you to the main interface from where you can easily log in using your Instagram account, or if you want to continue logging in with a new account, tap on switch accounts and enter your Instagram account's credentials in the text boxes and tap on login. Follow through the prompts and join into Threads. Soon after you join into Threads, you'll be able to receive the Threads badge on your Instagram profile. To check that, go ahead and open up your Instagram app, log into your Instagram account, and then go and tap on your profile picture at the bottom right. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to see the Threads badge right under your username at the top left. That is how you'll be able to get the Threads badge on Instagram. All you need to do is to join into Threads in order to get that badge. If anyone taps on your badge, they'll be able to go to your profile by tapping on View Threads Profile. That is how you'll be able to go ahead and get your Threads badge in a few simple steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back with more of these quick videos like this. Thanks for watching.